Do you have a doctor? Or I'll handle. Okay, let's do this. Wait, what if they're just sleeping? What if it's serious? What if I faint too? Stay with me, you're going to be okay, okay? Do you need water? A blanket? Do you need a hug? You're going to be okay. Wait a minute, I was born for this day, let me handle it. Should I get oxygen first? Should I call the captain? Oh, is that an auditor on board? Should I fix my hair? Tell me honestly, were you faking this for an upgrade? I read about this in the survival book, and that is a cardiac arrest. No, wait, he's joking. Oh no, he's not conscious. Wait. I read about it. He's fine. Yeah, I took care. Paperwork is done. Yeah, I've informed the captain, and meddling's everything is on the way. Yeah. What if we make an IV drip out of the water bottle? No? I was just trying to help. Wait. Why is everyone panicking? What's wrong?